Welcome everyone, and this is the beginning of day one. So we want to have people stop asking the question, what do I do to make money online? And start answering a better question. What do I already know that someone else would pay to learn? Because I believe your experience is your greatest asset. What have you done for a living for the last 10, 20, or 30 years? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you an office manager? Are you a realtor? Are you in the mortgage business like I was for the last 30 years? I'm going to walk you through how to use your past experience to create a digital product. We need to speak to one audience member, solve one problem, and have one solution. Y'all, that's the key to creating a digital product that sells. Okay, step one, you need an AI assistant. There are several AI assistants that you can obtain for completely no cost. ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini that's backed by Google, Copilot that's backed by Microsoft, or Perplexity. Use anyone, they all have free versions. Step two, this is where the prompt for your AI assistant that I want you to enter. I had this job title and I want you to help me package my experience that give me a digital product that will help me sell. These are the 5 things I do best in that job title. These are the 5 things that most people don't know about this job title. If you need additional information, please send me a chat and ask me the questions so that the digital products that are created are specific based on my experience. Then press enter and give your AI assistant the opportunity to analyze the information that you provided it. Then it will come back to you and it will ask you questions. Answer all of the questions that your AI assistant has asked of you. And then you're going to give AI the opportunity to provide you with different ideas. Your AI assistant is going to tell you which AI is the best idea for you to begin with. Review it. So in step 2, we're going to enter this prompt into our AI assistant, whichever AI assistant that you choose to use. And I'm going to use my example. I have been a mortgage loan officer for 29 years. Enter whatever job title you have. Stay-at-home mom, manager, office manager, corrections officer, whatever your title was. I would like to package my skills and experience into digital products. What type of digital products can I offer with my experience? These are 5 things I do best at my job. Number 1, explain the process and not speak jargon. Number 2, never push the highest qualification. Number 3, always provide monthly payment estimates and funds needed for purchase estimates from day one. Number 4, collect documentation up front so there is no last minute paperwork needed. Number 5, no bullshit. I don't sell, I educate. You won't see my name on billboards around town. I only work with people that I'm referred to. Meaning, if I do a bad job or give bad advice, people won't refer me anymore. If you need any additional information from me, please ask me questions so that the digital products that are created are specifically based on my experience. And then you hit enter and you give your AI the ability to think. The AI is going to come back and say, this is for now you're going to put your own in here. You have 29 years of reducing anxiety around one of the biggest financial decisions people ever make. That's a complete different business. Reading your 5 strengths, I don't think your digital products should primarily be about mortgages. I think they should be about making home buying understandable. Here's what stood out to me. You simplify complicated topics. You don't oversell. You give real numbers immediately. You organized enough that the deals don't fall through. Your reputation is built entirely on referrals because people trust you. That isn't mortgage business. That's education and building trust. Your positioning, if I were building a brand from scratch, it would be something like this. I help people buy homes without confusion, pressure, or surprises. Or I teach people how to make smart mortgage decisions before they even apply. And then it goes in here and look what it does. I would build a product ecosystem. It's telling me the first product that I would create would be about this price, and it would be home buying confidence toolkits, mortgage terminology, first time buyer checklist, what lenders actually look for, credit myths, common mistakes, timeline questions to ask the lender. Okay, that's my entry level product. Then it's giving me product number 2, monthly payment planner. And again, it's telling me how to do this. Number 3, it's giving me mortgage prep checklist and what to offer. Number 4, a home buying roadmap. Number 5, ask the lender these questions. Templates, I can offer them example of templates, monthly budgeting spreadsheet, rent versus buy calculator, home affordability workbook. How I can also give information on realtor products and a buyer presentation that this would still relate. Referred partner training, what makes the difference? This is everything my AI is giving me, all these ideas on how I can package my experience, my skills from my last 9 years in this business and how I can sell them. I want you to see that this is what your AI can do for you too. And then here's the additional, before I recommend which product to build first, I'd like to understand you better. So it's going to ask me these questions and I have to go back and answer every one. What types of loans do you specialize in, right? And even it's not what my company specializes in, it's what Jennifer specializes in. So one of the things that I do very well, I do conventional, do FHA, do VA, do USDA, but it doesn't mention about grant programs. I would tell my AI, I also do all the Maryland grant programs. Why? It's got to be specific to me and the experience that I have. That's how you make these guides so much more valuable. I'm going to answer these questions, then I'm going to turn this back on. I took the opportunity and answered all of AI's 7 questions, and now I'm going to hit the enter button and allow AI to analyze my questions before it tells me what products to proceed with. Here's what I know about your brand. Let the math do the mathing. That's something that I always said in the mortgage business. This is brilliant. This isn't a slogan. This is a philosophy. Everyone else has options. You replace options with numbers. It is incredibly marketable. Your clients aren't buying loans. They're buying certainty. It's all about clarity for me. I think your first digital product should be let the math do the mathing. A home buyer education workbook, decision workbook. Now, what I want to show you how to do, once I read this and I am comfortable with everything that it has in here, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this information. And I'm going to highlight this information. The name of this, I'm going to stick it into here, and this is what I'm going to write. Please create a 8x10 graphic for this page. Please notate me as the author. And that's all I'm going to do. Now, if I have my company logo, I may put that on here. If I have my NMLS number, which is my license number, I can put that on there too. So I'm just going to do this right now. And look what it's going to do. It's going to create a graphic for us. This is going to be the cover page of the book. Now, if I don't like anything that this cover page creates, that's okay. I can make any change to it that I want. It is my book. It's based on my experience, and I can have it do whatever I'd like it to do. And this is my workbook. I'm okay with all of that. That looks great. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I am simply going to download it to my computer. That's it. Let's go to page 2. Now it's going to say, section 1, can I really afford this house? Worksheets, budget calculators, monthly affordability, emergency savings. Now, I'm going to have it create this, and then I'm going to look at it because, again, I want it to be out of my experience, not it. But what I'm going to do first is let it create. And I'm simply going to say, create a 8 by 10 graphic of this. And again, if I don't like it, I make changes to it. Now, when it comes to a budget calculator, there's not too much that you do differently with that. When it comes to a monthly affordability tracker, there's not much that you do with that. Emergency savings, 6 months if you're single and 3 months if you are in a partnership with somebody. These are very basic, so I can have the AI create it for me. But again, if I don't like any of it, you've got to look at this. Can I really afford a house? Worksheets, budget calculator, affordability, emergency savings. Right? This is just the cover page. So we're going to save this. Section 2, what does PITI actually mean? All I'm going to do here, now PITI for me is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. I know that. And I'm going to say create a graphic. Oh, wait a minute. No, create an 8 by 10 graphic. And again, all I'm doing is copying it for section 2. And then I'm hitting the button. And it's creating everything for section 2. Okay, what does PIT actually mean? Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And it's showing you that this is a breakdown. Quite honestly, when people see a lot of it, they just see principal and interest and they don't recognize that they have to add taxes and insurance to that. So making sure that people understand the loan amount, the interest rate, the loan terms, and the complete estimate value of the home, that they understand this entire breakdown. So again, I just come up here and then I click this button and it's downloading to my computer. You are going to do this for every page that you create. Whether you create something that is 3 pages or you create something. So now it's your turn. Use your AI assistant, use the prompt that I gave you, create your first digital product, and save that page to your computer. Then, once you're finished doing all the steps that were noted in the video, I want you to go into the community, Digital Income Simplified, and make a comment and tell me that you completed day 1's activity. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions all throughout this challenge.